In today's digital age, efficiency and security are the foundation of prosperous payment processing systems. Discover the core principles of efficiency and security, the backbone of a successful credit card payment processing system. Efficiency, more than just speed. Efficiency in payments extends beyond speed. E-commerce demands real-time authorizations to prevent cart abandonment. Security, the silent guardian. Security is paramount in e-commerce payment processing. Rising cyber threats necessitate safeguarding customer data at every transaction point. Merchant processing services, marrying efficiency with security. Specialized solutions like TouchSuite merchant processing services step in, tailored for standard and high-risk sectors. Navigating digital transactions hinges on efficiency and security. Balancing rapid transactions and safeguarding data is pivotal. With esteemed partners like TouchSuite, businesses journey forward with confidence.